Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today let's learn rainbow colors. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is rainbow. Which is the first color? Yes, it is violet. See the next color? Indigo. See the next one? Blue. The next one? Green. See the next one? Yellow. Which is the next? Orange. The last one? Red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Let's repeat all again. Now you know all the rainbow colors. So repeat together. See, this is rainbow. First color is violet. Indigo. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Let's say again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Well done. Now you know all the rainbow colors. Good job, kids. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.